Hi, this is Joanna from Alpha Yoga School. Welcome back to our hands-on adjustment series. Let's take a look at Prasarita Padottanasana C. So Martin will get into the position. Before he does that, let's talk about the key alignment of Prasarita Padottanasana C. Legs are straight, spine is nice and long. The aim is to get the hands on the floor. So for C, I focus on opening the shoulders wherever the student is. So can you be someone with a stiff shoulders, who doesn't have a lot of space between the sacrum and the hands? So he would be somewhere here. Imagine that the aim of this pose is to have the hands on the floor. So my student is here. I ground the sacrum. So again, I check that the foundation is set, toes are grounded and heels are grounded. And gently, I place my hand between the sacrum and the student's hand, and I gently pull the hands away from his pelvis. This is going to be enough for the student who has stiff shoulders. So I ground and I put my hands between the spine, so not here, between the spine and the hands, and I gently pull away. Good. Come up. I can help the student to come up by cupping his shoulder. Let's show an adjustment, if you can use this mat, for someone whose hands are facing the ceiling. Here. Good. So, I announce my arrival and I press the back of my leg against the front of the student's thigh. So he is secure. I secure him even more by grounding him, placing my hand on the sacrum. The hands are here, and again, I use one hand to pull the hand slightly deeper into the position. If the student was somewhere here, the adjustment would be different. This leg would move to the front because I'm going to move the student more to the front. I would remove my hand from the sacrum. He's grounded because I can say to him, lean on my leg. I use both hands for this adjustment. I place the hands between the wrist and the elbows, closer to the elbows. I first push the shoulders into the socket, so I don't do this. I push the shoulders into the socket and then down towards the floor. I check his foundation. My right leg is going to bend as much as it needs in order to take the student's hands towards the floor. I'm not going to deepen him more. He's not super warm. Then I gently exit. I ground the student. I remove my leg. I cup the shoulder. I say, inhale, come up. Exhale, let go. I need to remove my leg before I take the student out of the posture. So I remove my hand, I remove my leg, and then I help the student to come out. Let's show the last two adjustments from a different point of view. So Martin, So first the hands, he interlaces his hands and the hands are facing the ceiling. So I would usually, for this adjustment, I would come from the back so that the student can see that I'm arriving. I am in a warrior position, let's say a warrior one position. So one leg here, one leg in the front, small contact with his thigh. I ground the student, sacrum. I check that his foundation is stable, toes and heels grounded. My hand, again, the same as in first position. And I gently pull down. Good. Stay here, Martin. For the next adjustment, where the student would be here by himself, again, light contact here, again a warrior one, but this time I have a bigger stance, because if I go with his hands forward, I have to lean forward, and I need good stability in this leg. So this leg now cannot stay at the back because I'm going forward. So this leg is going to be the leading leg. Inhale, shoulders in, exhale. Shoulders in first, and then down towards the floor. I can even put my elbow on my thigh. I'm not going to deepen him more, but I'm using both hands to deepen him. I'm not using one hand anymore for this one. To exit the pose, 1, I ground him. 2, remove my legs. 3, cup his shoulders. Say inhale, come up. Exhale, release. Thank you.